This story is beginner friendly. If you want to learn English with stories, subscribe to this channel. It was sunny morning in Dhaka when I boarded the train to Sylhet. The platform was crowded with people all ready for their journeys. I was excited about my trip, but I had no idea it would change my life forever. I found my seat near the window, hoping for a peaceful and scenic journey. As the train started moving, I noticed a young woman sitting across from me. She had bright eyes and a kind smile. She was reading a book, completely lost in her own world. I could not help but glance at her now and then. Her name was Labiba. I learned this when the ticket checker asked for her ticket. I wanted to talk her, but I was shy. What should I say? I thought. Suddenly the train shook a little and her book fell to the floor. I quickly picked it up and handed it to her. Here you go, I said, smiling nervously. Thank you, she replied, smiling back. Her voice was soft and sweet. It was the perfect start to our conversation. Are you traveling to Sylhet for work or vacation? I asked, trying to keep the conversation going. I am visiting my family, she said. What about you? I am going there for a friend's wedding, I replied. We started talking about many things, our favorite books, movies, and even our dreams. The train ride felt shorter because of our conversation. We laughed, shared snacks, and enjoyed the beautiful views of green fields and rivers. It felt like we had known each other for years, even though we had just met. When the train reached Sylhet, we said goodbye, but I could not stop thinking about her. Luckily, we had exchanged phone numbers before parting ways. I sent her a message that evening. It was nice meeting you today. Hope you had a good time with your family. She replied quickly. It was nice meeting you too. Yes, I had a wonderful time. How was the wedding? From that day, we started talking regularly. We shared stories about our lives, supported each other's dreams, and became good friends. Every message and call brought us closer. Over time, I realized I had feelings for Labiba. She was kind, smart, and creative. She made me laugh and she understood me in a way no one else did. But I was scared to tell her. What if she doesn't feel the same way? I thought. One evening during a phone call, I gathered the courage to tell her, Labiba, I need to tell you something. I said, my heart beating fast. What is it, Rafi? She asked, sounding curious. I think I am falling in love with you, I said nervously. There was a moment of silence, and then she replied, Rafi, I feel the same way. I could not believe it. I was so happy that I could not stop smiling. From that day, our friendship turned into a beautiful love story. We continued to support each other in every way. Labiba encouraged me to follow my passion for storytelling, and I supported her as well. We spent more time together, creating memories that we would cherish forever. After a few years, I decided to take the next step. I planned a special day to propose to her. I took her to a beautiful park in Sylhet where we had our first official date. With a ring in my hand, I said, Labiba, will you marry me? Tears filled her eyes as she said, Yes, Rafi, I will marry you. It was the happiest moment of my life. We got married in a small ceremony with our family and friends. It was a day full of love and joy. Today we are happily married. living a life filled with love, laughter, and dreams. Whenever I think about that train journey from Dhaka to Sylhet, I feel grateful. It was not just a journey to Sylhet, it was the beginning of a lifelong journey with Labiba. Our story teaches me that life is full of surprises, and sometimes the smallest moment can lead to the biggest changes. So, to all of my viewers, remember life is like a train journey. You never know who you might meet or where the journey will take you. Keep your heart open and you might find your own Labiba along the way.